Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Comodo Firewall on your Windows computer. On this tutorial, it's going to be Windows 11, but it should work on Windows 10, Windows 7, and Windows 8 as well. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So you're going to start by opening up a web browser of your choice. Doesn't matter to me, but we're going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. And you want to just navigate over to google.com. That's what's important here. And you want to go ahead and search for Comodo Firewall. One of the best results should come back with Comodo Firewall, so it should be on Comodo.com. Go ahead and open that up. You want to get it directly from the developers. And you want to select the free firewall button, so go ahead and left click on that. And then give it a moment to begin the download. And then go ahead and open it up once it's done downloading to run it. You can minimize or close out the web browser too at this time. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Select the correct language and then select Options. So you can import Google Chrome settings into the firewall, otherwise you can uncheck that and then select Accept and Install. Okay, so at this point you go ahead and uncheck some of these options if you want, such as setting Komodo Dragon as your default browser. You can actually uninstall that if you choose to do so. Change your DNS server provider to Comodo. You can otherwise just uncheck it. Enable cloud-based behavioral analysis. I would recommend keeping that on. And sending anonymous program usage, you can keep that check marked. I'm going to uncheck it. And setting your Yahoo as your home page, new tab, and default search engine. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that and then select finish. And now Comodo Firewall should be installed on our computer. So we will need to go restart our computer, so let's go ahead and select fix it and restart our device. So hopefully that was able to get you guys set up with a good firewall. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.